I don't want to say, see the tutorial till the end. I want to say, talk and enjoy the moment, share your thoughts. Sometimes, a whole day passes in such a weird mood that even you don't understand what's wrong. Not a big problem, not a fight, nothing serious, but the vibe just feels off. And then suddenly, something tiny, a cute little visual, a funny moment, or a random notification, just instantly fixes your mood. Today was exactly one of those days for me, and here you are, watching this video in the same vibe. You know what? I always feel that whenever I turn on the camera, there's a specific kind of person on the other side of the screen, the one stuck in everyday routines, tired, a little bored, slightly confused, and just in that mood of, let's watch something good. And I love the feeling that the vibe I bring actually reaches you. Honestly, today I thought I'd do a very serious intro, but as soon as I started recording, my heart said, forget serious, your audience is like family, just talk casually. So here I am, not with a cup of chai, but with full chai energy. Sit back, keep your phone stable, relax your hands, because today, we're just going to chat, completely carefree. And I know some of you are probably watching this lying on your bed, some are in the kitchen while doing chores, some on a bus during a boring commute, or maybe in a waiting room. And some of you are the ones who say, the video is out, let's play it immediately. So here's a big virtual hug for all of you, because you're the reason I do all these casual little chats. About vibes, sometimes a person's energy is so good that just sitting with them improves your mood. And sometimes, even the quiet of a place gives a peaceful feeling. I think you bring the same energy, positive, calm, friendly. That's why I often start in this light, funny, cozy way so you can just relax. And here's a funny thing, I've seen so many videos where creators immediately say, like, subscribe, comment. And I always think, wait 2 minutes first. Let the connection happen. So in my intros, I just focus on sharing the vibe. Because when the vibe is right and the connection forms, viewers naturally support you. Think about it. You're on one side of the screen, I'm on the other, we probably don't know each other, but we're talking like old friends. That's the beauty of online space. No formalities, no pressure, just a friendly feeling, a phone in hand, a voice on the other side, and we exist in the same little space together. So that's the start today. Just sit back, feel the vibe, and let's continue a little further with some more chatting. Our rule here is simple. No stress, just chill, relax, and enjoy the moment. Now honestly, in all our lives, there's always someone who says, relax, why take tension? But ironically, that person panics the fastest. You might have noticed, these people think of themselves as full-time philosophers, but the moment a practical problem appears, they panic faster than a bottle of water falling from a table. And if you have one of these people around, don't point at them directly, just laugh quietly. Because I've realized 60% of the population runs on just 2 things. 1. Random advice. 2. Zero action on that advice. And the combination is everywhere. I always laugh at how we try so hard to appear cool, that we forget if we are actually cool or just pretending. Like when a phone falls, we all act completely calm, while inside we're thinking, oh no, scratch free, please. The technician's bill. But our face, totally neutral, cool mode activated. Acting skills might earn us Oscars, but in reality, it just saves us from embarrassment. And who's the master of pretending calm in public? Raheem Uncle types. I was going to drop it anyway. Array bye. If you were going to drop it, why hold on for 2 seconds before it hits? But style matters. Honestly, we all secretly think of ourselves as the main character in our life movie. Like, the background music changes, and suddenly everything feels dramatic, or upbeat, and we become the hero, even if we're just walking around in slippers at home. Life's little cinematic moments are what make it fun. Sometimes I wonder what people think when they see me. Then I immediately laugh at myself. Whatever they think, who cares? Everyone's busy with their own lives anyway. Now about you, my audience. When you leave funny emojis or little cute comments, it genuinely makes me happy. It feels like there's a whole group of people behind the screen, some laughing, some relating, some secretly thinking, that happens to me too. and that connection is stronger than the video itself. If you've read or watched this far, just drop a simple emoji in the comments, cold sweat smile. It tells me my words reached you, and that small gesture makes a creator's heart so happy. Honestly, I feel such an emotional connection with you all. Every time I record, I think, let's talk to my mini family today. And I truly mean it. This mini family feeling comes from you. The world is huge, everyone's busy, but when you take a moment to play my video, it feels like we're all sitting together on the same couch, catching up like friends. Your comments, oh, they're a whole other world. Some say, your voice is so soothing. I literally put my phone down and think, today was a success. Others write something so funny I end up laughing out loud. Some even write, watching your videos feels like you're our cousin, just not visiting, and I think, wow, online cousins do exist. Those small, cute comments aren't just happy, they motivate. On low days, I open the comment section, read a heartfelt sentence, a prayer, a compliment, and my mood completely flips. Some of you leave comments every video, hearts, nice, cute, yar, mood made my day. I feel like I know you, online friends I've never met, but who feel like family. Sometimes I imagine if we were really in one room, we'd be the loudest. Someone would be asking for tea, someone sharing a story, someone gossiping, and I'd be like, wait, let me speak too. Every creator has an invisible support group, people who silently encourage, smile, and leave vibes behind. For me, that invisible group is you. Some people say, you don't reply. Oh, I want to reply to every comment. But sometimes time is limited, and I'm like, too tired. But I read, I feel, I notice every word. The casual, friendly energy you give, pressure-free, judgment-free, is the real beauty of an online community. It's authentic, it's real, and it's what keeps me going. And now, if I randomly ask you, how's your mood today? Or, what did you eat? Or, what are your plans? It's not content, it's genuine curiosity. I don't want you to just be viewers, I want you to feel like family. Life is a built-in comedy show. Plan anything seriously, it won't happen. But the unplanned things, the surprise calls, small random incidents, change everything. When everyone is free, no one calls. Start a 10-minute nap. Suddenly everyone remembers something urgent. Ever notice that? Life's small cinematic, funny, and random moments, that's what makes it memorable. Netflix recommends boring stuff when you have free time, but just 20 minutes. Suddenly top movies appear. Universe loves confusing us. Family meals. Golden moments. One says, let's make tea. Another, paratha too. Another, yum yum. Last one, I'm on a diet. Everyone looks at them like an alien. Life on a diet is risky, temptation or judgment is everywhere. Weddings. Prepare, dress your best. Relatives still ask, is this for the occasion? Smile, think inside, who asked you? Patience PhD earned. Camera on, 90% of people become radio jockeys. Camera off, back to normal. Adults, just paying bills, hidden childhood confusion remains. See life differently, every moment is funny, cute, friendly. Finally, if you enjoyed this video, laughed, felt the vibe, stay till the end, like, comment, and subscribe. Small gesture, huge value. Share your vibe, message me, and remember, small moments, little joys, tiny interactions, they're the ones we remember most. Keep smiling, stay positive, and create happiness for yourself and others every day.